In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check salaries on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search, and how to interpret the numbers so you can make confident career decisions. First, open Glassdoor in your browser and make sure you're logged in. Being signed in unlocks the full salary data and detailed breakdowns. Once you're in, head to the top navigation bar and click on Salaries. This takes you to the main salary search page, where you can look up compensation for roles across different industries and locations. In the search bar, type the job title you're exploring, like software engineer, and choose the closest match from the drop-down suggestions. Using a standard, commonly recognized title will return the most accurate data. Next, enter the location. This can be a city, a state, or even a country, depending on how broad or specific you want your results to be. When you're ready, click the magnifying glass or press enter to run the search. You'll land on a results page that shows the median salary for that role in your selected area, along with a range from low to high. Take a moment to scan how the pay is distributed and whether the figures represent base salary, total compensation, or include bonuses and stock. If you searched by a specific company, you'll see company level numbers and often a distribution of salaries submitted by employees. Quick note, I've placed a direct link to Glassdoor and the official app download right at the top of the description so you can follow along easily. To refine your results, use the filters for years of experience. Adjusting for entry-level, mid-level, or senior roles will give you a tighter and more realistic range. If you want to go deeper on a specific employer, visit that company's profile and select the Pay and Benefits tab. There, you'll find employee-submitted data tailored to that organization, which is great for understanding how pay and perks compare within the same industry. You can also try Glassdoor's Know Your Worth tool for a personalized estimate based on your background and location. It's a helpful benchmark, especially if you're preparing for negotiation. As you review numbers, look for the labels that indicate where the data comes from. Glassdoor estimate, employer provided, or user submitted. Employer provided figures tend to be more official, while user submitted data offers real-world insight but can vary. Glassdoor estimates blend multiple sources to create a modeled range. That's it. Use these steps and tips together to get a clear, data-driven view of salaries. If this helped, don't forget to use the link in the description, and thanks for watching.